I've always really liked Catalina and the ocean in general, and so I just decided to go ahead and apply and spend a month on Catalina. I definitely struggle with traditional classroom environments and getting all the information that I need within like a traditional lecture setting. And so having these programs in different locations and within the actual environment that you're studying at times, it was super helpful to relate the material to what's actually going on right outside the classroom door. Once you're done with class on the island, the interaction doesn't stop there. And so we'd be seeing our professors and our other classmates at all times pretty much. We ate meals together, we talked, and so just having that bonding atmosphere was really, really nice. I think it was very refreshing to get some people from all kinds of different backgrounds and degrees and locations. We had a couple of film majors in our class. We had some psychology majors and English majors. And it was just really interesting to see how they all came in and we all worked on science together. And my actual cohort on the Maymester, my class, we got super incredibly close, and we actually still hang out to this day. We hang out once or twice a week. You know, it's just being on the island for a month with the same people, we just really got a chance to bond. By supporting the Wrigley Institute and the Catalina Residential College programs, you're really supporting the students that are going out there and actually getting this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to do research that they're interested in. I know a ton of the students in the Maymester that have changed their entire major and career paths based off of this one experience. It was just such an incredible opportunity, and the ability to go and do these things is what makes USC truly great.